A day to lose weight. More like a day and a half. So here is my dinner. That is broccoli, green beans, onion, baked, teriyaki tofu, crumbled, and brown rice noodles, and some sauces and seasonings. I put just a little bit of curry powder, along with garlic, onion, garlic pepper grinder, coconut aminos, and some other stuff. Turned out good. See you for my next meal. I didn't get to weigh in yesterday, so here we go. Too close to the ball. Smoothie for breakfast. There's 4 dates in it, a banana, a cup of spinach, water, a little bit of almond milk, and a little bit of that plant protein, and 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar. Breakfast. So, it was a really good weigh-in, and I'm happy about that. So, yay for a good weigh-in. I haven't been under 190 for a couple months at least, so it's really good. Eating my leftovers from last night. I'm still really hungry. Cottage cheese, 'cause I'm still hungry. Using the same bowl. Oops. I really don't feel good. I barely slept. I didn't really get any sleep until like 2:30, and I had trouble sleeping. Tossed and turned until about 10:15, and then got up. I feel like I have glass and rocks fighting in my guts. I put curry powder in my stir fry. And then coffee. I haven't been having coffee regularly, so time to knock that off, right? So I'm gonna be laying down for I don't know how long, but I'll talk to you next time I eat. Okay, so I just spent like a half hour on the toilet. And it was like a clearance sale in there. Everything must go. Wow. So take home message, don't have coffee and then curry powder in your food. One or the other, not both. Lunch. I'm going to show you kind of step by step what I do. I cut them up and I'm adding them back to the pan. Adding onion. Broccoli. Smells so good. So good. Some cut up kimchi. Just enough for the probiotics, not like enough to completely overpower my food. Take that off. I'm just gonna let that cook down a little, and then I think it'll be good. There it is, all done. That looks very good and very tasty. I cannot wait. Let's go taste it. So many goodies in this bite. Good flavor. Probiotic. Bad side. Today I'm having another smoothie for breakfast. Same as yesterday, but I put some cherries in it, so it's sort of brown. That's pretty good. Doesn't look good, but it's good. I might share one more meal and then call this video done. So I'll see you later. Yummy. That's really good. I'm about to go work out. I'm working my legs today, and I'm going to try to record my workout. So after this, I'm gonna go home and have my post-workout meal, and then I will end that vlog there and put that out today, and then one for the workout will come out tomorrow. Ugh. I'm sorry. The last meal I'm going to put on this vlog, this is those skinny rice noodles that I had in yesterday's stir fry. I've got crumbled tofu, bell pepper, broccoli, onion, and then garlic and onion powder, teriyaki, tahini, tamari, sorry, no tahini, and coconut aminos, and a little bit of plum sauce. Time to taste. I think I may have gotten like a little bit of a heat thing, or like a little bit of a sunburn going on. Yeah. little bit of a sunburn or heat rash or something going on. My face doesn't usually look that red. That is good. After I eat this, I've got to go get the boys, so I've got to quickly get going on it. This is the last meal on this vlog, so I hope you enjoyed all my food, and thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to follow my journey. God bless you and have a good day.